Hello everyone, today I'm going down to Ranikor. This is my 5th time visits to Ranikor. So most of the time I don't got time to show you how the place is, but I was thinking today I'll do it. So let's join with me through this video. I can show you the beautiful Ranikor beach and the beautiful of the day. This is the Ranikor beach. As you can see, the surrounding of this place, it's so attached with the environment and it's so beautiful around the place. Here we can see the big rock. Many children, they just jump from this rock, diving into the river, and they swim, spending the whole day in this place. People sitting in the boat, they do kayaking, they do fishing from the boat, and then some of them, they just play music nearby the river and just relaxing themselves with the nature. Friends, this is the place that you should really come and spend time. Hi friends, as you can see, I am right here in this Ranikor beach. It's so beautiful all around the place. As you can see, the river just at the back of me, and I really want you people to come and visit here because the glimpse of love that we are connected with nature, that you won't really feel tired to be in this place. I felt so in love as the water is so clean and so crystal, and I'm really enjoying. So I would like you, all my friends, even from my state and other state of the country, a state of our country from India, do visit Ranikor beach. It's so amazing. As per my experience is that we don't need to cover all the places in one day, but at least just feel the beauty of this place. Just stay here, spend your good time with your friends, your family, your loved one. It's so amazing, and this is my suggestion to you people. Whenever you come to Shillong, don't miss Ranikor beach.